Vegetarian, Unveiled, a deep dive into its meaning. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive deep into the meaning of a word that's quite popular around the world: vegetarian. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Vegetarian is a term used to describe a person who does not eat meat or fish. They choose to base their diet mainly on plants, which includes vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts, and seeds. This choice might be for various reasons, like health, environmental concerns, ethical reasons related to animal rights, or personal preferences. Yes, there's more than one type. Let's break it down. 1. Lacto-vegetarians. Consume dairy products but avoid eggs, meat, and fish. 2. Ovo-vegetarians. Eat eggs but avoid dairy, meat, and fish. 3. Lacto-ovo-vegetarians. Include both eggs and dairy products in their diet, but stay away from meat and fish. 4. Pescatarians. They avoid meat but consume fish along with plant-based foods. Some people argue whether they should be considered true vegetarians, but the term is often used in similar contexts. While the core definition of vegetarian revolves around avoiding meat, the context in which it's used can change its meaning slightly. For example, in some cultures, when someone says they are vegetarian, it might be assumed they still eat certain types of meat, like fish or chicken. Always clarify when necessary. In culinary contexts, a vegetarian dish means that the dish does not contain any meat or fish products. 1. All vegetarians are healthy. Just because someone avoids meat doesn't mean all their food choices are healthy. A diet can be vegetarian and still be high in sugars or unhealthy fats. 2. Vegetarians only eat salads. Vegetarians enjoy a vast variety of foods, from pizzas and burgers to soups and desserts, all made without meat. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the word vegetarian. We hope this deep dive has given you clarity on its meaning and usage. The next time you come across this term or meet someone who identifies as a vegetarian, you'll know exactly what it's all about. Thanks for joining us today, and happy learning!